Have you ever felt that you're living a life that isn't yours? Like you've been following a script written by someone else? Well, in this video, I'm proposing a new way of living. One where you stand in your own power and create a future built on love, faith, and real freedom. Here's a simple truth. You have power over your life. You have power over your life. You don't need to follow someone else's path, especially if it's not right for you. You can say, I do not consent, and create a better way, one that is right for you. I used to feel cornered by fear. Majority of my life, I lived from a place of fear, worrying about what others wanted, what others thought, what others said that I should do. It took me a bit of time, a lot of struggle, a lot of pain, but I came to realize that my imagination is infinitely more powerful than any doubt. And the love within me is infinitely more powerful than any fear. Once I consciously and intentionally said, I do not consent to the old ways. Once I consciously and intentionally made the decision to leave all those old ways, old stuff, so to speak, behind me, it was like a new world opened up inside me. We live in a world where many people follow the same old patterns as if they're stuck in this loop. This does not have to be your world. You can tap into your creative self, imagine something better, and bring it into reality. This gift comes from our Creator. You've been gifted with the free will to decide what your life looks like, to envision that, to create that for yourself. So, what I'm proposing is, what if we choose instead to focus on what a free spirit seeks, what a sovereign spirit seeks? Clean resources, clean food, clean water, a healthy environment. What if we were to embody the values that a sovereign free spirit embodies? Love, empathy, compassion, authenticity, and true connection. You have the power to see a bright future for yourself, for all of us. Yes, some people will choose to remain in the old ways, to continue to walk that old path, and it may include some of your loved ones. That is their choice. You can allow them to walk that path. You don't have to join them. I realize it's not an easy choice to make, but it is a choice. When you envision the future you want, you start to step into it. You are that powerful. You are that powerful. The last few years have shown us that we shape our reality, our own reality, through our intentions, our choices, and our consent. We are free to align with a vision of New Earth, a place built on higher ideals in higher service to us. We don't need to live in fear any longer. We can trust that the Creator has a plan and that plan will unfold over time. Your faith and your focus matter. You don't need to know every detail. You can hold on to the vision with a calm heart, a trusting heart. You can let faith guide you through any doubts, knowing that negativity no longer controls you. Knowing that New Earth is here now, in real time. It's real and alive, and nothing can stop it from growing. Given all of this, what is our next best step? Well, I propose our best step forward is to hold on to this vision and keep going. When fear creeps in, remember, you can shift your attention to creation, love, and faith. You have the power to break free of the old matrix of fear and struggle. And if you don't like your current situation, create something better. Absolutely feel your feelings, process the emotions that come up, because of current circumstances. But complaining about it, ruminating on it, marinating in those old ways, does that serve you, especially in the long run? Do not continue to feed the old false story with more fear. Show your gifts to the world. We're in creation mode right now. Use your gifts to contribute to creating something new. Change is happening fast. I don't know if you've been feeling that yourself. I know I have. So it's a time where we need to create space to allow for that new to come in to unfold. We've been called as well to let go of old hurts, old limiting beliefs, old stories, old ties, old cords, anything that no longer serves our highest selves or is for the highest good. And, to use whatever tools resonate with you, be it prayer, be it meditation, movement, bioenergetics, journaling, whatever that may look like. Release what no longer serves you. And then ask yourself, what inspires me? Let that spark of inspiration be what guides you to your next step. Forgiveness, letting go, new beginnings. That's our focus. I propose that we allow that to be our focus going forward. We finished a long period of struggle. We're done with that. Now it's time that we fully step into life. We fully open ourselves to this new life and new earth. No more cycles of fear. We're done with that. Turn toward growth and new beginnings. Let inspiration point the way. That's basically it. Now, I want to give you a simple practical practice that you can do right now to support you in doing just that. The first step is to pause. Take a slow, calming breath. And from that place of stillness, ask yourself, what inspires me? And let that first thought, that first feeling, that first download be what guides you to the next step. You may want to write it down, say it out loud. The goal here, the idea here, is to let that spark of inspiration, that spark of light, be what guides you. And the third step is to let go. Let go of what no longer serves you. Whenever fear or worry appears, say to yourself, I do not consent. I choose love. I choose faith. Your reality shifts each and every time you make a new decision. Okay, so you can do this. You have the power to do this. You are doing this. You have the power of imagination. It's one of your superpowers. You have the gift of creator within you. You choose your timeline by deciding where you place your focus. Okay, so if we keep our hearts steady in trust and faith, if we give ourselves permission to trust in the process and the creator's plan, we don't need to know every detail of the plan. We don't need to know the entire plan at this point. We only need to hold the vision and be open to life. Okay, and remember, you don't have to do this alone. In fact, I encourage you not to go it alone. Seek out friends and groups that share similar desires, similar vision that you hold. There's many local groups, so there may be a group within your community. There's many online groups. I facilitate a group called the Co-Creators Collective. I'll link to that in the description below this video. So if you feel like you want to explore that to see if it's the right fit for you, feel free to reach out to me. Okay, so talk about your ideas, talk about your vision, lift each other up, because when more people stand together, our shared vision grows stronger and continues to grow and grow. If you're still here listening, thank you. I appreciate you. Let's keep our hearts steady in faith and love and our eyes on a brighter world. New Earth is here, and it grows with each person who makes the decision to co-create it.